Ow! Did you know that dragonflies begin their lives living underwater in the nymph stage, and at that time need to breathe out of their butts?
Nasty.
Breathe out of their butts. You think of that?
Weird.
Well, sometimes you gotta do weird things to survive.
Oh yeah.
What are we talking about?
Dual slang. What are we talking about today?
Are we talking about the periodic table?
Periodic table. You asked about this before. And I think that's a good idea. But we're not doing that today. Today we're talking about natural disasters. Learning stuff.
Risky.
What is a natural disaster?
Disaster is technically when something occurs in this planet and it affects nature. And us, like cities.
Yes, it affects. It's something in nature that affects us
Yes.
in our lives, rather than us affecting the nature.
No, we don't affect that.
Well,
we
it
can
would
make
be.
it. We could technically make a disaster by nuking.
It's not. The point is, it's not something we make.
No, just
It's something made in nature.
Yeah.
Right. So, what's one form of a natural disaster?
Well, it's when the Earth moves its tectonic plates.
Moves its
Movement of the tectonic plates.
the movement of the tectonic plates, and what?
Which makes earthquakes.
And makes earthquakes. Okay. So, there's an earthquake. What happens?
Well, naturally, tectonic plates move, and things move with it.
Okay. What should you do if you're in an earthquake? Earthquake's happening. What are you doing?
Hide in a bunker.
The bunker. You're gonna
Well,
run
it's
to the bunker.
hide in a basement or a bunker. I mean, it's usually the most safest place.
Well, what if the building collapses on you?
What things can happen? I mean, I literally asked you to go into a basement because that's an area where you're underground and you're gonna be possibly safe.
I think it would be safer from other natural disasters. But an earthquake is something where buildings are destabilizing. So, I mean,
Listen, do you think being underground is better than being underground?
being on the ground? Probably being outside is safer in an earthquake.
Yeah.
Because there's less things to fall on you.
Yeah, but what if you're in the city? Well, go into a building, hide in a basement. I
if
don't
you're
know.
in a city with a lack of tall buildings like Winnipeg, you'd probably be okay.
I mean, possibly houses could crumble.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Houses could crumble, but you probably want to be outside the house when it's crumbling, right? What's another kind of natural disaster?
Tornado.
A tornado. And what is a tornado?
It built up of wind.
It built up of a wind.
Yeah, it's spinning
Spinning wind.
in a singular area.
Mm-hmm. And what can this thing do?
Well, it can usually be pretty strong or pretty low, like to level 1 to 5.
Different levels of a tornado. What about a max tornado? What's that gonna do?
Well, I think it would probably break down buildings pretty easily.
Yeah. What should you do if you see a tornado coming?
Tornado, bunker, immediately.
Yeah, I think your bunker would be a little better
Or basement.
than in the earthquake. Yeah, hit the bunker. Not a lot of people have bunkers though.
Go in the basement instead or something.
Go in the basement. Yeah, because I mean, it's gonna blow the top of the house off, but it ain't gonna like dig you out of the ground or nothing. Hey, what's another kind of natural disaster?
Tsunamis.
What causes a tsunami?
When an earthquake happens in the sea.
Oh, yeah. Paint me a picture. What happens when there's a tsunami?
Giant wave or giant tidal wave.
Giant wave, and it's coming. What's happening?
Well, first of all, there would be a mass decrease of the water in the ocean. It would probably drop down. In the distance, you'll probably see a wave. It will look small, like your average wave, a pretty small wave. But in reality, it's actually way, way, way bigger than you think.
Probably at some point it'll look pretty bigger.
Yes, absolutely bigger.
So, a tsunami hits. What can it do?
Immediately destroy buildings and probably take in people that cannot swim and probably they would drown.
What you if? Again. There's a tsunami coming, and you see it. What you gonna do?
Well, I suggest you go to the most...
Bunker?
No, not that time, because that's a bad thing. Because you're gonna get hit by water.
You get drowned in your bunker too.
You get drowned.
Yeah.
And really, when you don't want microplastics in your house, like they do cotton things, like you don't want to.
Microplastics. Let's not talk about microplastics. That's gonna
Technically, everything's technically water has
be
microplastics.
related to human disasters. So, the tsunami's coming. What you doing? What you doing, boy?
Well, I suggest you go into the most highest building you can find.
Yeah, scramble to the high ground is the thing to do. Problem is, when the thing starts, you get all caught up in the water, what could happen to you?
Well, the building can fall and you would hit the water.
You could fall and hit the water.
I mean, if you know how to swim, at least the impact wouldn't be as strong as a literal physical
I don't
titan.
think you'd have a chance to swim. And I think the big problem too would be getting hit by debris. Debris. We lived in Indonesia. What happens in Indonesia? In the
Volcano.
ring of fire, baby. What could happen when there's a volcanic eruption?
Well, your house could probably burn down, and you could possibly have your skin burning.
Your skin burning.
You'll probably die in a matter of seconds if the whole entire thing went on you. Or if you were close to the explosion.
So what you're talking about is getting covered in lava.
Or your house gets covered in, or your house gets hit by some lava and it burns.
Is lava our main danger?
No, it's smoke and fire.
Smoke, and if I like the smoke, I don't know about the fire. How's the fire gonna get you?
Well, it possibly could burn down buildings.
But I mean, where's the fire coming from?
By the lava, it can burn. Lava is also can burn stuff.
Ah, the lava starts things on fire.
Yeah.
But the lava doesn't really shoot that far.
It does kind of sometimes. It can burn down wildlife, and it could also start a wildfire.
I guess it could do
If
that.
there was flammable things, I mean that could be one of the natural things. But smoke,
Smoke. Smoke some nasty stuff.
like smoking cigarettes, except way way worser.
Yeah. It's like smoking a volcano. What happens? What happens to you?
Die.
I remember being in Surabaya when Mount Kalud exploded, and I could see the dust in the air. It was freaky. Freaky times. Now, we live in Winnipeg. What kind of natural disasters you think we got here?
Still.
Just snow?
Also hailing and some other stuff. Also wind currents of snow. Also because of icing roads. Because snow can also do that.
Stuff related to snow.
Also snow hurricanes, I think.
Snow hurricanes and
It's basically a hurricane except worse.
snow volcanoes. But it's okay because you get in your bunker.